Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to HackTech TV. I hope everyone is good. As in my early video, I have told you that I will create a video on Windows RDP system that works for the 24/7. And so in this video guys, I will show you that how you will get the Windows based premium RDP or a VPS server that will work for the 7 days continuously 24/7. So if you are new on my channel, before start please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the amazing latest videos. So today we are going to explore the Cloud Sigma. So what is Cloud Sigma? Cloud Sigma is basically a cloud services providing company that will not only provide the cloud services but also provide the IaaS services or PaaS services and CaaS services. IaaS is basically stand for the infrastructure as a services, and PaaS services stand for the platform as a service, and CaaS is basically stand for the cloud as a service. So today we are going to look up in the cloud as a service. So guys, the VPS server that we are going to discuss today now is also used for the hosting purposes as well. So without wasting time, let's go to the practical side guys. So guys, first of all open your browser and go on google.com, and right here is Cloud Sigma. Hit enter and click on a first link. Now we are going to use the Cloud Sigma server for the 7 days, so they will basically provide us for the 7 days trial. So simply click on a try free for the 7 days. So guys, here what we need to do is we need to sign up in the Cloud Sigma. You can see we are not getting any kind of form regarding to the sign up button. So in order to get the sign up, you need to click on a instant access here. Simply click on this and quickly I will fill the captcha here, and they will instantly give you an access to their dashboard. Now we need to sign up here because this is a guest account. So how you will get the sign up? Simply click on a time left here and you will get the sign up by email, and enter your email here and click on a sign up button in order to get the 7-day trial. So what you need to do is you need to activate your account, and they have sent the activation link on your email address, and you can set your password. Okay, got it. Go on your email, you will get the activation link, and once we have opened that link, they said that you have to set the password here. So you have to set the enough strong password. So quickly I'm going to do this. Wait for a moment. Now save and sign in. Now guys, it's going to leading to the dashboard of here. So now guys, we are in the dashboard. Now one step that we have also need now is we need to verify this account through our phone number. So how we can do this? Simply click on upgrade button here, and here what you need to do is you need to give your phone number, and you need to connect your phone number with that account. So guys, after verification with the phone number, I have already verified now. So what you need to do is simply click on a compute button here, and here you will see we have no elastic computing or a server. So what we need to do is simply go up here and click on a create button, and now we need to create a server here. You need to give the name of your server whatever you want. I'm going to give the name of VPS server here, and then scroll down. It's better that don't change the CPU and the RAM options here. You can simply change the VNC console password here. Whatsoever you want, you can change it, and I'm going to give the password here, the VNC console, and simply click on a create button here. You can obviously change to the CPU and the higher versions and the RAM as you want, and simply click on a create button here. Now simply click on the compute button here back. Now guys, you will see we have successfully added one server here. We need to add the SSD hard drive to that VPS server. So in order to do this, simply click on a storage button here. Till now what we have done, we have still only created only a VPS server here and give the name and allocated the CPU and the RAM. Now we need to attach the storage device in the form of SSD. So how we can do this? Simply click on a storage here and click on a drives here. Now in a drive, under a drive section, you will see we have not created yet any kind of drive. Now guys, in order to create the drive here, simply click the create button on the top of the menu and give your VPS name whatever you want, drive name whatever you want, VPS drive let's suppose, and if you want to give the description you can give this, and scroll down and make sure that guys you should select the storage type in the distributed SSD, and the device type should be hard drive. After that, what you need to do is you need to resize it up to 40 GB. You can obviously give the size whatever you want. You can change it up to 40. I'm going to set this for the 40 GB and simply click on a create button here. Now wait, it's creating the drive. Now go to back here and let's see we get the drive or not. Now we have successfully created the hard drive here. Now the status of that drive is unmounted. Unmounted, what we need to do is we need to add or mount or attach that hard drive to our that created VPS server. So how we can do this? Simply select this one and in the top of the menu click on attach button here, and now you will see the server. So they are basically telling us in which VPS server you are going to attach that drive. So you can see we have created the VPS server here. Now in the first column you will see a button attach here. Simply click on attach button. Wait for a moment. Now we have successfully attached our drive to that VPS server. Now one more step that we need to do is to change the interface of that drive as well. Simply click on edit button here, and on the device type simply click on IDE and select the IDE and click on a save button here. Now wait for a moment. Now we have successfully changed the interface as well. Now till now we have created a VPS server and the drive, and we have successfully attached the drive to the VPS server. Now one more step that we need to do is we need to select the library that what OS is basically we are going to install inside that drive. So simply go on our storage and click on a library here, and here what you need to do is search for the Windows. So Windows, scroll down, let's see. Okay, next. Now guys, one of the most important thing that you have to do is you can select the Windows Server 2022 standards / data center install DVD. Make sure that you should select the attached CD option here, because we are going to install our Windows Server 2022 on our own server in order to get the better privacy or the private server. So simply click on attach CD. Make sure that you should select this option. So click on attach CD here, and again you will need to click on attach CD. Now that's great guys, you will see we have successfully attached our Windows Server DVD to our VPS server. Till now we have created a VPS server and the drive and the DVD and both of the VPS drive and the DVD we have successfully attached to our VPS server. In next step, what we need to do is click on the compute button here, and in your VPS server click on it, and simply what we need to do is we need to run that. Now on the top of the menu you will see a button of the standard start. Simply click on it. Now you will see it's acquiring the IP and assigning some kind of IP to your VPS server, so you have to wait now. So you will get the IP. Scroll down. Now we need to configure some kind of things. We need to install our window to that VPS server. So scroll down. We need an access of the VNC tunnel. So simply turn on your VNC tunnel here. So here guys, you will see we get the VNC link here. Simply click on a display VNC URL and copy the URL, accept the VNC // copy that URL, and the software that we need in order to run this, go on google.com and enter VNC viewer here, hit enter. You have to download that VNC viewer in order to connect your VNC or your server. So guys, after installing the VNC viewer, open that VNC viewer. I have already installed the VNC viewer, and wait for a moment, it's opening, and paste your VNC server here that we have copied recently. Hit enter. Now click on a continue button and write your password here. Hit enter. Now you will see our server is successfully connected. Now in next step, what we need to do is we need to install the Windows server in our VPS server. So you have to wait now. Please follow each and every step, and if you are new on my channel, make sure that you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the amazing updates guys. Now the step is as regular Windows installing. So in order to install the Windows server, what you need to do is just wait. Now we need to scale it. Okay, so guys, what you need to do is simply click on a next button and click on install now. Now setup is starting, so you have to wait now. Now here guys, we need to choose our operating system setup. So make sure that you should choose the data center 2022 server with the desktop experience, and simply click on the next button here and accept your term and the license terms. Next, and after that you need to click on a custom button here. Click on custom and unallocate it. Okay, simply click on the next button here. Now it's installing the Microsoft server operating system into your VPS server, so you have to wait now. So it's basically installing now. Guys, you will see the operating system is now installing to our VPS server. So guys, it's almost near to the completion site. So after the installation of that server here, it will restart your RDP system, so you have to wait now. After that you will configure your account, and where you will pass the username and the password as well in order to access that VPS or RDP server. So simply click on a restart now. So now it's restarting. Now it's getting the device ready now. Now guys, after that what you need to do is you need to give the password in order to access that VPS or RDP system. So I'm going to quickly give the password here. Make sure that your password is strong enough. I will give it and click on a finish button. Now wait for a moment, it's finalizing the settings. Now after that what you need to do is press the Ctrl Alt Delete. So in order to pass the Ctrl Alt Delete, simply click on this here, send. Now it's sending. Now you have to pass your password in order to access it. Quickly I will do that. Oops. What is the password? I forgot. Hit enter. Now wait now, it's basically opening your RDP or VPS system. So guys, you will see we are in the Windows 2022 server. So one more step that we have to do now in order to access that RDP on the Windows based RDP system or the app, because as we know that the VNC is basically lagging in on the VPS or RDP system. So we need to run that RDP or VPS system on our remote desktop connection. So what we need to do is, in order to, you will see here we are not getting the internet access into our RDP system. So in order to access the RDP internet connection or throwing the internet connection in your RDP, what you need to do is you can simply close the connection first and go back to your Cloud Sigma account here and stop that server first. Wait, now it's stopping. Now after the successfully stop the server, you can go on the compute section, and compute section here, click on your server, and under the server you will see the option of the network here. Click on it, and we need to change basically our, so in the network section we need to change the card mode. Simply click on it and click here and click on Intel Pro. Wait, now it's changing. Now you will see our card model is successfully changed. Now again go back on a compute, click on your server, and now run the server here. Now wait, now it's running, it's requiring IP. Okay, then turn on the VNC tunnel here and display the VNC. Copy that address here and go on your VNC, hit enter. Okay, enter your VNC password here. So now we need to send the Ctrl Alt Delete. Enter the password. On a yes button here, and in the below side of the menu you will see we have now in the internet access. Now one step that we need to do is simply click on a start button or start menu button. Let me close this. Wait, now you can see it's lagging a lot. Now we need to reduce that lagging. So in order to do this, we are going to run that Windows VPS server on our remote connection. So how we can do this? Simply click on that start button, and we need to enable the remote desktop here. Simply click on a setting button here above the power button. Now simply click on it Now in the search bar you can simply type the remote desktop setting, click on it, and you have to enable the remote connection here, enable the remote desktop here. Okay, confirm it. Now you will see we have successfully enabled the remote desktop. Now close that VNC connection. So go on your account and copy that IP and simply open a remote connection in your window, remote desktop connection, enter it. Now paste here your IP. Now after that what you need to do is simply click on a connect button here and pass the username. Username is administrator and the password that you have given while you are going to installing or configuring your window. Click on OK button. Okay, simply click on a yes button here. Now it's configuring. Now you have to wait. Now it's connecting to your VPS server. Now guys, you will see we have successfully connected our VPS server through the remote desktop connection. Now you can use this VPS server for the 7 days with the 24/7. It will run continuously for you for the 24/7 for 7 days. Now you can install whatsoever the Windows application you want through the Microsoft Edge, and you can click on it and you can install the Google Chrome first, and after that you can install whatever the apps you want. So guys, if you like that video, make sure that you should hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new on my channel, if you like that video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the amazing latest videos. So guys, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.